Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, guys, I have been waiting like a month or two to film this video because my skin was so terrible. It was terrible. I was getting a bunch of pimples, especially on my chin. Still have some scarring, and I have no makeup, by the way. I only have my brows, a little bit of lipstick because why not, and a tinted moisturizer, but that's pretty much it. I don't really have makeup on. And guys, this video is all about skincare and how I got rid of my acne, how I got rid of most of my dark spots, still fading them a little bit, you know, that takes time, but I have some tips and tricks and I just want to share with you guys because this has been working for me so much. This skincare routine that I got, it's like, it's good. By the way, this skincare routine, I've been doing it for almost 2 months now and I've seen a huge difference on my skin. Also, something I want to mention, I am not like a dermatologist or like I'm not like a professional. I'm just telling you guys what I do on my skin. If it doesn't work for you, I'm sorry. You know, everybody has different skin types, but this is what works for me and I hope it can work for you guys too. I have oily skin, maybe that helps. If you have oily skin, maybe this will work for you. I just think it's a great skincare routine. So let's just get into the video. I'm gonna divide this into like 2 sections: what I do in the morning when I wake up, and then what I do at night when I go to sleep, which is a lot more steps. So when I wake up, I always wash my face. I use this cleanser. It's Biore. It's a scrub, you know, cleanser, an acne scrub, and I love it. I just love my cleansers to have exfoliating beads because that way I know that I'm kind of like exfoliating my face, and that helps a lot with dark spots. Most of the time in the shower, I then exfoliate again because I'm telling you, I love exfoliating. I do this maybe like 2 or 3 times a week though. This part, which is this face mask, it's a 60-second in shower facial from Aveeno, and I love this. Seriously, this is so good. If you use this in the shower and you're showering with hot water, the steam is gonna help open up your pores, and then this is gonna go right into your pores and clean, and it's just gonna be like a deeper clean, and I love that. So this I totally recommend. I really love this. This is my second step in the morning. Sometimes I do it at night too, but I'll get into that later. This is great. Then once I'm done exfoliating in the shower, I put some moisturizer because you need moisturizer. You need it, and specifically you need SPF, you need sunscreen. Put sunscreen on your face every single day because that's gonna help so much with your scars, with your dark spots. So this is the moisturizer that I use. It's actually done, but yeah, I gotta get a new one, but this is great. This is from the brand Simple. But yeah, I love it. And then I apply on my skin a tinted moisturizer. If you want even more sunscreen, if you want a little bit of coverage, it really doesn't cover that much though. Like, I'm not saying this is a foundation because it is not. It just gives you a cute little tint and it makes you look so natural. Your skin looks so natural. And it's not a foundation, okay? I just want to clarify that. But this is a tinted moisturizer. This is the one that I use. It's amazing. It has SPF 50, so you're putting sunscreen, and then you're putting this that has sunscreen as well. It's a tinted moisturizer with SPF 50. That's just great because that's going to prevent your dark spots from getting darker. I'm also going to link everything down below if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these things, okay? And yeah, that's all I do in the morning. Then once I apply that tinted moisturizer, I'm out. Okay, so now on to the night skincare routine and what I do at night. At night, I use the same Biore cleanser. Wash my face with that. Then sometimes I'll do the 60-second facial and shower facial. Sometimes I'll do that as well. Most of the time at night though, I like doing this 1-minute mask from Biore. Biore, I just love their products. They have some great products. as you can see, I got 2 of them because I just love using this. This is already empty, guys. This is amazing, amazing. This is like the best face mask out there. This is it. Like, this is just so great. It's a 1-minute mask and it heats up on your skin. Like, what? When you're done doing this face mask, your skin is gonna feel so soft. It's just amazing. Oh my god, guys, this is the key to fading away dark spots. Like, this is just genius. It's a little bit pricey, but if you want to get rid of your dark spots, please invest in this, because this worked for me so much. Oh my god, I'm so excited that I got this. But it is the Silk In. It's like a personal Microderm. I got this on Amazon for like $60. I'm gonna link it down below, but it is so worth it, guys. Microderm is pretty much just it's like this like little like vacuum, I would say, kind of like a vacuum that takes away the top layer of your skin. If you take off a layer of your skin, that's gonna help fade away your dark spots, because then your skin is gonna grow again, I guess, and it's gonna start covering up the dark spots that are left behind all the way back in your skin, because now you have new skin cells and it's gonna help your dark spots fade away. If you guys want another video of me just explaining more how to use this, let me know, because I'll totally do that if you guys want. But pretty much this is like a vacuum and you do it like all over your face, and if you do this once a week in 4 weeks, you will see a difference. Not even like, even the first time you use it, you'll see a little bit of a difference, but like in like a month or 2, your face is gonna look amazing. I'm telling you, amazing. All right, guys, so once I wash my face, just like on a regular day where I don't do Microderm, because when I do Microderm, I don't do this step because the step is a little bit more strong for your skin. But on a regular day when I don't do the Microderm, I'll do this step. So after I wash my face, I put on, oh my god, I just love this product. This product is amazing. Like, you need to get your hands on Curology. I love Curology. Guys, you need to try Curology if you're struggling with acne. Literally, you use this and you will not get any more pimples. And if you do, they're tiny pimples that go away the next day once you apply this at night, because this makes it go away. I don't even use any spot treatments. I don't use anything for like my pimples when I get them. I don't need to do that, because this does it all. This gets rid of your pimples and it prevents you from getting more pimples. So if you are like, hey, I don't know if I want to try it, because, and guys, this is not sponsored. Like, I wish it was sponsored, because I love Curology so much. Like, seriously, this has changed my skin so much. If you guys are not interested in buying one, like buying a whole bottle or whatever, then you can do a free trial. And that's what I did. When I saw online that they had the free trial, I was like, what? I need to try it. All you have to pay is $5 for the shipping. But it's so worth it. You should give it a try. This is what you get when you do the free trial. It's a tiny bottle, but it lasts you like a whole month. And with this little bottle, you will see a difference. So pretty much Curology is just a website. You have like your personal dermatologist, I guess. They even send you emails and help you out and like ask you questions about your skin. You pretty much do like a survey online, and they create this like personalized prescription, this personalized Curology for you. As you can see in the back, like, how cool is that? My name is on this bottle. Like, what? I know that's corny, but it's so cool. So send them a picture where they can see all your imperfections, they can see everything, and they will create your own prescription, your own acne cream. And yeah, pretty much I just apply this on my skin at night before going to sleep, only at night. I do like maybe like 2 pumps, and then I put it on my skin And yeah, I go to sleep with it. It's amazing. Totally recommend it. Guys, this is great. It's great. So once I apply my Curology, I then go ahead and apply an oil on my skin. Guys, I love oils. I really do. But the only ones that I really use on my skin are Biore oil. This is great for scars. As you can see, it's kind of like almost done. Well, halfway. But Biore oil is great for scars. I apply this kind of like as a moisturizer at night. After Curology, I just apply this and I go to sleep, and that's it. Also, something else that's really good for scars, vitamin E oil. If you don't use Biore oil, you should totally try vitamin E oil. It's great for scars as well. So if you don't use this, you can just use this and apply some on your skin. So yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys learned a lot. And try this skincare routine because it helped me so much. So I hope this skincare routine works for you guys. I'm not saying you have to do every single step, but if you can do most of the steps, go for it because you will see a difference in your skin. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys and see you next time. Mwah.